Welcome to the channel. Welcome to a space dedicated to understanding the body better, especially the liver, one of the most important organs for overall health. The liver quietly manages detoxification, metabolism, and nutrient balance, yet it's often difficult to know when it's not functioning properly. One of the earliest signs of liver stress can appear in the feet. When pressure builds in the portal vein, the main vessel carrying blood from the digestive organs to the liver, circulation can slow down. This reduced blood flow may cause swelling, dryness, cracking, or itchiness in the feet. These subtle changes can sometimes signal that the liver is under strain. The liver's health is closely tied to diet. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease has become increasingly common, often linked to three major dietary factors: unhealthy fats, refined sugars, and artificial additives. Processed oils and fried foods can create inflammation and damage liver cells, acting like sludge in the bloodstream and forcing the liver to work harder. Refined sugars and processed flours contribute to fat buildup, while artificial ingredients and chemical additives add toxins that the liver must constantly filter. Supporting liver health starts with mindful eating. Choosing natural whole foods and avoiding heavily processed items can reduce the liver's workload. Paying attention to physical signs, such as changes in skin texture, swelling, or discomfort in the feet, can also provide early clues about liver performance. When circulation slows due to liver strain, the effects can ripple throughout the body. The feet, being farthest from the heart, often show these signs first. Recognizing these early indicators and making small dietary adjustments can help maintain healthy liver function and overall well-being. Disclaimer: this content is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for diagnosis or treatment of any medical condition. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health insights.